Hey guys, it's Renee. So I don't really know if people blog anymore, but I do and I love it. It's like my space from back in the day where I just share with people all my DIYs, and I have two blogs. The platform that I use is Blogger. For blogging, it's always been the easiest that I find for me. Learn how to use the fastest, I guess. And so in my previous blog, I did have the option of like follow by email for like new people that visit my blog, they can follow. But I changed the admin on that account and I lost access to it. So what happened is like I changed the email, added a new email, deleted the previous email, not knowing that if you delete the previous email, you pretty much delete everything, like all the posts, all the pictures, all the images, all the videos, my access to that account and everything else. So I had to create a new account. So this is my new blog, which I guess is pretty similar to that one. But Blogger now, in like the gadgets, you can't add anymore like the follow by email gadget. It's just not an option given to you by this platform. And I thought of like changing platforms, but this is a platform that is easiest for me to use. And again, it's just like a creative outlet for me. I just love like posting pictures in here, having all the things that I've done in like one platform, but I still wanted to offer that follow by email option. So what I did is just follow it. It's just like a newsletter platform and it's actually really easy to use. All you have to do is just like go to publishers, paste the link of your website, continue. And then from here, you can pretty much customize what you want to see on your blog. You can change the font, you can change everything. And it's pretty cool because you can see the changes right there next to you, how things are gonna look. So once you decide how you want it to look, you can just copy the code, go back to Blogger, and on the gadgets, just choose the HTML one, paste that in content without any title. It comes with a title. Then just save it, refresh, and this is pretty much what it looks like. Now, if you're familiar with Blogger, you know that you can arrange how things are gonna look like on the sidebar. And once you're done and just figure out what you like, just save it. Now back to follow it, you can just add stuff for like people to follow you all over your blog or website. I'm good with what I have right now, so I'm not gonna add anything else. And I wanted to test this just to see what people that choose to follow my blog, feel free to follow me by the way, are gonna be looking at. And it works, guys. It actually does. This is pretty much like the confirmation. You go to your email, confirm, and then you're pretty much all set up. One thing to mention though, if you're using Blogger, you're only gonna see the follow by email option on like main page, not on the like posts. You won't see that, just in like the main page. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful and handy and clear. If you like Blogger, blog yourself, but you can find the follow by email option anymore. If it helped though, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I don't have like a tech channel. Mine is a DIY and crafts one, but I just wanted to share when I was doing this, I didn't find a clear how to and just easy on this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later and take care. Bye.